want more content? Catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Ailee in the motherfucking bit. What is MMI? What the hell MMI? Me, myself, and I. I'm dumb, bro. I was gonna say milk must. I can't think of one for I. Mommy milkers intelligence. What the fuck? All right, let's get into this. Let's go, Ailee. Me, myself, and I. Let's go, vocals. Yo, this is how I nap. This is how I nap too. This right here. This is exactly how I nap in my bed. Except that I don't have these type of headphones. These are too expensive for me. I have Sony ones though. Damn. Oh, booty. Oh. For free? The feet out? Whose feet are those? Ah? Oh. Oh, the pants are crazy. Okay, hand choreography. What the fuck was it? Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Hey. FaceTime me. Okay, with the dancing. Bro, that Kofo ass outfit too. Get in there. This is, I like to go to a laundromat and have a good party too sometimes. Wait, what does it say in the background? Self-esteem. Self-esteem. The hell? Good. Wait. Is that Go. Self-esteem. Chat. What is it? Guard. Oh my god. I'm dumb, bro. Oh my god. Damn. You grew height. That's kind of fire. That shot with like the long legs. Oh. Oh, what a transition shot that was to catch up. Oh, okay, lighting. Me when I do a photo shoot. Hey. What you like? So self-esteem guard, okay. Oh. Bro, that burger look good though. Oh, look at all these queens. Ooh, okay, you got me already singing it. Oh, okay, handwriting. Let's go. Okay, good shit. Memoir? That's what it says. 7th mini album. Dang, she be in the game for real. All right, damn it. What? When did I always subscribe? Oh, maybe I was subscribed in Jrekml channel. Fire. Let's go, Ailee. It's been a minute. Since I checked out Ailee. Big shout out to her. Go check out her music video if you haven't already. Go support Ailee Illusion. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Okay. Oh, wind. Oh, you know she gonna kill when she going. Any little intro. You ain't ready for this one, bitch. Like, damn, Ailee, you didn't have to say all that. That's what it meant when that laugh. Oh, she got them silky gloves on. Oh, she trying to. Oh. Hold up, this shit gonna eat, dog. This shit gonna eat. I already feel it, Chad. Chad, I feel it. The way that she just turned to the side. Ooh, the beat too. The dancers. I love this. I love this. Ooh. Hold on. I see a married woman. That's what I'm saying. Oh. Say love, love is an illusion. Ooh, oh wait, she was getting into it right there. Oh, let me see, let me see, let me see. Ooh, okay, serving. Oh, okay, she got that body work. Okay, shoulder. Yeah. Oh, the camera work is pretty crazy. Oh, okay. Well, you popping off out here too, Miss Ma'am. Ooh. Ooh, I love the silhouette part too. Okay, got that R&B voice. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Wait, forget that's you? Say love, love an illusion, right? Love is confusing. Say love, love is an illusion. Ooh. Oh, okay, with a little body roll. Okay. She be body. Hey. Yeah. Oh, that was a fire ending too. We want more. Ailey's back with Illusion. Give her some love, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the links in the description to check out her music video. Go support yo girl. She better work for real. I'm saying she and her husband got YouTube together. Oh, I didn't know that. What is it? Do you guys know what it is? Ain't that some cute shit? Oh, what? Do they do vlogs together? Oh, 4 days ago. Bro, he is a fucking adorable. Holy shit.
아직 완성이 다 되진 않았어요. 여기가 이제 게스트 화장실인데 컨셉은 블랙이에요. 그래서
Oh, you exposing your bathroom?
이제 블랙 휴지통과 그리고 또 들어가서 보시면
Oh, it's not furnished shit, they said.
집 안에 이렇게 해놓으니까 너무 포인트도 되고 되게 모던하고 예쁘더라고요. 또 우리 커피 테이블이랑도 잘 어울리기도 하고.
And he's
제 커피
younger, right?
스틸이었기 때문에 같이 또 포인트 될 수 있는 부분을 하나 더 넣고 싶어가지고.
When stone, yeah, like a stone bathroom is expensive. Oh wait, let me see the toilet. Hold up, bro. I listen. Oh, I didn't even really appreciate it. Wait, hold up.
또 블랙 수건과 이제 블랙 휴지통과
Like
그리고 또 들어가서 보시면은 또 변기도
Black.
black.
Oh, that's fire. I don't know. I'm an appreciator of toilets. Like, every time I go to Korea in this hotel, they have a bidet, and that shit be fucking fire. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, y'all need to clean y'all asses.
올 블랙.
Sorry. When I said that, I heard Shannon right next door was like, and I do. I was like, oh. She's talking to somebody else.
치지 말라고 여기다가 제가 째려보는 사진을 걸어놓을까 지금.
Oh, she's like my age. I mean.
그리고 또 포인트를 또 주기 위해서
Oh,
여기에 또
that's interesting. Green marble. All right, I'll watch this another time. Sorry, y'all.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.